Morning students, once again I welcome you to my video lecture on signals and systems. So I will continue now with continuous time signals. What is an even function, what is an odd function? In the case of continuous time signals, an even function is xc of minus t equal to xc of t. So replacing plus t by minus t is not going to alter the value. That is what even. So sometimes this even function is also called as y-axis symmetry. Y-axis symmetry. I will explain. I will explain what is symmetry and what is y-axis symmetry. I will explain. So xc of minus t is equal to xc of t. Example. Take xc of t as cos t. What is xc of minus t? Xc of minus t is cos of minus t. So from trigonometry we know that cos of minus theta is same as cos theta. So this is what even symmetry. I will sketch the waveform. I will sketch the waveform and I will explain what is symmetry. So if you sketch a cosine wave like this, if you sketch cosine wave like this is xc of t, this is t. So these are positive values of t, these are negative values of t. This is called as y-axis symmetry. The reason is you can fold this graph along this axis like this. If this is the graph, if you fold it like this, the positive portion exactly fits over negative portion. The positive portion like this exactly fits over negative portion, and that is why this is called as y-axis symmetry. Y-axis symmetry. Next is, this is cosine function. So cosine function is an even function. I hope you followed what is symmetry. Symmetry means how the waveform stands. Here, for example, take our body. Our body is also symmetrical. If you imagine an axis passing through the head in the middle, the body structure is symmetrical, very much similar to body structure. In the case of waveforms also, we have this symmetry called as even symmetry. Now I will explain odd symmetry or odd function. Coming to odd function, odd definition is x naught of minus t is equal to minus of x naught of t. That means if you replace t by minus t, then the value becomes negative of that. Then x naught of t is equal to minus of x naught of t. Now I will sketch sine wave. This is sine wave. This is sine wave. This is positive portion. This is negative portion. See here, if you consider for positive values of t, the values, if you take the same values with negative sign, this side, it is all negative. See, for all positive values I am getting negative values. This holds good for all values of t, and hence this sine function. So x naught of t equal to sine t. If you replace t by minus t, sine of minus t. Sine of minus t from trigonometry is minus sine t. Now this type odd function is sometimes also called as point symmetry. It is also called as point symmetry. Point symmetry means symmetry about origin. Origin is a point, is it not? symmetry, and origin is an intersection of horizontal axis and vertical axis. It is also called as symmetry about origin. I will explain why. If you fold it like this, once you fold it like this, after folding like this, you fold once more like this, then the positive portion of the function exactly overlaps with negative portions. Once again I will repeat. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Once you fold it like this. Next, after folding like this, you fold once more like this. Then the positive portion exactly fits over negative portion. This is what is known as odd function or point symmetry. In the next class, I will continue with the properties of these functions. Thank you.